Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can hack TEMU and get free money in your own device. So whether you have Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. You can totally download and install this cool app that allows you to do that in your device. So I am going to actually be flipping my screen over and showing you guys a step-by-step, show you basically how the app works and also how you can download and install it for yourself. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Okay everyone, so before we continue with downloading and installing, I just wanted to quickly show you the app. And so it's the app right over here that says TEMU mod. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, it shows this pop-up here. It says TEMU mod activated, add free money, unlimited spins, and more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, this is my current balance. I have $66. And down below, I have this option here that says add free money. And it's just as simple as clicking there. And immediately I have been added $100 for myself to use. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And if you also want to be able to do that, let's go ahead and proceed. Now, first of all, if you are using an iOS device like I am, we do need to make some adjustments to our settings. So go ahead and click settings. And of course, if you're using Android, you don't need to worry about these steps. This is only for iOS users. So once we're in settings, we are just going to go down to battery first. And in battery, we just want to make sure that we have low power mode turned off and that we have at least 10% battery in our device. That way we avoid any problems once we are installing and downloading and installing our app, okay? So yeah, make sure that you have low power mode off and at least 10% battery. Okay, so now heading back to our settings, I'm gonna go ahead and click general now, and you should do the same. And in general, we are going to go ahead and click background app refresh and click there once again. And here you wanna make sure that you select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, whichever works best for you, whichever you prefer. Just make sure that it's not in off, okay? Just either one of these two. And once we've done that, we can head back to our general settings, and now we're gonna click about. And in about, we just want to confirm that our iOS version is at least iOS 11. So if you don't have at least iOS 11, I do recommend you try to upgrade your iOS version before you proceed with downloading and installing, since the app will most likely not be compatible with you, okay? So do keep that in mind. And of course, if you have anything above iOS 11, like I do, you are good to go. Okay, so now we are going to head back to our settings menu, and we are going to go down to Safari, and in Safari we're going to go all the way down to advanced. And this is a very important step. Last but not least, make sure that you do have JavaScript enabled. So if you don't, just go ahead and click the slider there until it's green, indicating that it has been enabled. Okay, so JavaScript allows the web page to load properly, meaning that we can also download and install the app adequately. So yeah, very important step. And that is basically it for our settings adjustments. Now we can exit out of there. And now for everyone, both Android and iOS, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and open up our web browser. So whichever your preferred web browser is, it doesn't matter. And we're just gonna type in the name of the web page or the URL where we can find our app, which is this one right here. It's called vivahelper.com. So yeah, once you type that up, just click go. And this is the web page. This is what it looks like. And basically up here you have a search bar where you can click there and type the name of the app that you're searching for. But in our case, since our app is already showcased here in the recommended app section in the home screen, we can just go ahead and click on it. And we are going to go ahead and click download now once you see this pop up. And yeah, once again, if you don't see the app in the home screen, you can just type up the name of it up here in the search bar, which is the TEMU mod. So that is the name of the app in case you don't find it there. And yeah, as you can see, it's pretty quick in downloading, so it doesn't take very long. Right, so once that finishes downloading there, you're gonna get this pop-up. We're gonna go ahead and click allow, and then it's gonna say profile downloaded. Keep that in mind and click close. And now we can exit out of the page there, and we are going to head to our settings app, and we are gonna look for that profile downloaded notification wherever it may be in your device. In my case, I'm using iPhone, and it's usually at the top right here. So yeah, just wherever it may be on your device, once you find it, just go ahead and click on it. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna finish installing the app into our device so that it's up and running just like all of our other apps. So yeah, click install, and if you have a passcode in your device, just type up the passcode, and then we're gonna click next and install once again, and over here as well, and then finally click done. And yeah, that's basically it. Once we exit out of our settings, as you can see, the app will immediately show up in your home screen along with the rest of your apps up and running and ready to go. So yeah, guys, that is how you can hack TEMU and get free money. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.